This video explains the installation of a FritsJurgens floor plate with chemical anchor.
In this case, the gap is 7 mm. Use the gap calculator via the link to calculate yours. We can use a tape on the floor to draw the floor plate placement on. We draw a line here. This is the middle of the floor plate. Then, we calculate the next line's position by adding the gap to your pivot point. Extend the lines to make them visible when placing the stencil.
You can use an angle grinder with a larger diameter drill to drill out the holes for the pins. This way, you can fill them with chemical anchor before placing the floor plate.
You can use the crossline laser to determine the placement of the ceiling plate.
Fill out the floor where the floor plate is going to be placed with a 2-component adhesive and the pinholes with chemical anchor.
We can use a rubber hammer to put the floor plate in place. It might be useful to use a small block so the floor plate pins go straight down into the holes. And that's it.